Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Marumo Gallants 1. I'm joined by Umfana Sem Nambiti.
It's Tiwo.
It's Asanda.
Mnandi.
Fresh.
Ngikho it's Tiwo.
Death.
No, it's Tiwo. Ngiqale nje ngokwezi ipoint elibalekile ngicabanga ukuthi mangisuka ngale bengifuna ukuthi nje ngiliphakamise before I say anything. No, Tiwo ngiqale ngiyibongele iMarumo Gallants scouting team.
Yes.
I think they are doing a fantastic job lapha. I don't know who they are, but looking at the way abe scouts ngakhona ama coaches, if ubheka ukuthi when they moved to Free State bathole uDan Malisela ubedlala ibhola elihle kabi lapha. If ubheka le season yakhe ukuthi yena kube nebhadi ukuthi i-team yakhe ibingakora amagoli, but after mayephuma they got up the slum, who was doing very very well naye the time afika kwiMarumo Gallants awina ama games wakwazi ukuthi abahlalise I think kwi top 10 or top 11, but now uthema ihamba up the slum ethathwa iParity. They got another coach, 28-year-old. If you pick all these coaches la abatholayo, we don't know them. Asibazi ukuthi ba-achieveni basuka phi, but you look at the way aba-performa ngakhona, the way abakwazi ukucoacha ngakhona ama-players. If you pick this guy, he came to South Africa with his team, but the way ama-players akhona eMarumo Gallants understanding ngakhona, you can tell ukuthi he's a good coach. If you pick age yakhe, 28 years, it tells you ukuthi these young coaches, they are very passionate. If you bheka ukuthi nabo Rulani during era Sundowns, you could see the players loved coach Rulani because of their passion in football, their love for a game. If you bheka igame namhlanje, look at how the players abenikela ngakhona, determination, passion, the quality abayivezile on top of Sundowns. You couldn't tell ukuthi they are playing against the Mamelodi Sundowns, of which it's a big team ekwazi ukudlala ibhola futhi ekwazi ukukora amagoli. They were not scared. Bebenganakho ukuthi okay, right now let us defend, let us play low block, but they press them immediately mabesusa ibhola move.
Sure.
They press them, they want to take the ball, they want to play. If you bheka ama chances abakreatile, for me unfortunately ukuthi nama chances abakreatile they amanye wawo bekumele bashaya amagoli. Yabo ukuthi ubheka ukuthi khona leli elike laphuma esayidini lika Mrena, bekusakhona uMrena undawo engakangini. Maliphuma mabegijima nalo lifake icross layout mangena eboxini alithinti umuntu liphuma ngaphandle mayethu yalishaya uOprimo Diba uyaligeja ukhoza naye uthi uyakhahlela waligeja and uNdondlo malifika kuye I think this was a chance ukuthi afinish and win the game. So if ubheka ukuthi ama decision nabo in front of goal amanyawo abashayeli, and into engakutshela yona ukuthi yabona if you had to change ama coaches uthathele weMarumo umnike Sundowns, uthathelwe Sundowns ngeMarumo ubuzobona goal scoring match la enama goal cisha u6, because looking at ama tactics ka coach lo weMarumo be more clinical than coach lo Cardoso. So coach Cardoso, for me I think it depends kuma quality players ukuthi when you are good at playing as a number 6, just show me your best. You are good at play, but when you find a coach ekwazi ukuthi I dominate lama players la ukuthi okay you are playing as a 6, make sure this player doesn't play uvela outplay the whole game yabo. So if ubheka ama chances aba creative, it was ama individual whereby you see ukuthi mhlawumbe umkweni uzothatha ibhola akwazi ukujika nalo aphasele uTertius Matthews mayengena, I think he created 1 or 2 chances. You could tell ukuthi it is individual yakhe ukuthi his ability to run with the ball, his ability to shoot. Khona lalela lishayile walivimbu aRuby, and for me I think if beko omunye goalkeeper bengalikora le goal, but if ubheka ne goal le Sundowns first half, I think it was a goal ebungeke kusho ukuthi if bekukeeper obe good, that good lela goal uRuby beliphethe man. Mayelishaya uRenas elheader bekuyigoli lakhe bese sadlini bekumele liphamba alale phansi aqhubha ibhola, but I don't know ukuthi kwenzakaleni liphunyuke kanjani, and after the chances Sundowns created, it was just half chances. There was no stretch chance abayi created ukuthi okay la basuke from a move and then they build. So I'm telling you Thibo kunekinga khona ku Sundowns. I don't know ukuthi kwenzakala. there's a huge problem at Connacht Sundowns, and this is not the Sundowns that we know. This is not the Sundowns. Opito. Pelupito what may hamba. Why should Angishi Sundowns as a dominator for the next 7 to 8 years? But you're looking now, the system has changed. The players, it seems like they don't understand each other. Ngati ama new signings, wonke lama players. I don't understand what's going on with Coach Cardos, and a pressure for me. If you look up, if you pick it team njenge Pirates, ngakubale izinto ababhekene nazo Pirates right now bayodlala qualifiers nge-weekend. But looking at Sundowns, they do not have a pressure. Because badlale, I think isebeyongena kuma group stages, so they do not have a pressure. I don't know what is happening in Mamelodi Sundowns right now. So but maqhubeka isikhathi sizobona kwenzalani, but good game for Marumo Gallants, and especially for Ndlondlo. Mayeshiya iPirates, mayilahla iPirates, asazi ukuthi uteam wayezayithola in party ngenhlanhla kwayithola eMarumo, and he performed very well. I think he's my man of the match, the way adlale ngakhona. Played very well ukuthi nje i-decision making at the final third imshayile, but looking forward to Sundowns, sazi thibo kwenzakalani.
Thank you, Jayam. Ay.